Okay, so let's try and connect Google Appsheet with one of the Smartsheet, right? So I signed up to Smartsheet. There is 30-day trial. You can try out. I created one of the sheets here with sample data. I will be connecting this to Google Appsheet, right? As you can see, it has ID, name, profession, and SSN column. So I'll be importing this particular sheet into Google App Sheet, right? So to do that, you have to go to Google App Sheet, then account setting, then sources, then click new data source, and here you have Smartsheet option as a data source. Now it will ask you whether you wish to allow it or not, right? The reason it says that because there are some folders that you can keep private also and don't allow access. So if I allow this, it will get the public data and allow us to access that particular SSN sheet. Right now we are back here with Smartsheet. So what I will do is I will just go click create, then app with existing data. Let's name this something like SSN app. Then click category, and here I will choose human resource. Then choose your data. Here you can see Appsheet databases, and here you can choose to create new, or alternatively here you can see your Smartsheet data should appear. Considering it is not appearing, that means we have to reload again, right? And if we check here, we can see we have our data here, right? It says existing data that you have is listed here. We will allow it and it should appear, right? Now once it is back here, I can click app existing data, then SSN app, then category, again choose your data. Now it is visible, so select that. Now we will choose this exact spreadsheet into Appsheet, so select that, and let's see what it uploads and what type of app it generates out of it. Considering it has these columns ID, name, profession, SSN, it will design exactly that kind of app, right? So here you see your app is being listed. It is importing all the rows. Let me close this and show you the view. Right now here you can see this is one of the view. We will go with mobile view, and we have person, their age, and if we check this particular app, it will have its respective pages. And let's see if I want to add new entry, so I will click add, and it will show this particular random ID. You can always change that to, let's say, 101 or something. That's fine as well. Then here I will add name, then profession, and also SSN. Finally I will click save, so that data gets synced here, and we will be able to see this here, right? You can also check this in this landscape mode as well as desktop mode. So desktop mode should be full screen like this, right? And here you can choose your preview, what do you want not to. You will click add, it will show the drawer like I explained earlier, and then save this, right? This is just a preview, we haven't published it, so you get the idea how to sync your Smartsheet spreadsheet with Google App Sheet, and the data will appear like this here. right? So whenever you want to get rid of that connection, simply go to account settings, then you will click on sources and then delete the Smartsheet. So once the connection is gone, you can go back to your app, and from here you can also delete, so that entire import and export options would be now gone along with the app. So you get the flow here for importing Smartsheet connection into Google Appsheet.